All right, here we are at 225 Sulky, and let's just go inside because we don't want to have our appointment run long in case someone else is here. Hand sanitizer, gloves, shoes off. Let's try to touch minimal things. Hello, hello. Oh, wow. We got all the notes out. I like this. Hello. All right, good. So they're not here, it seems like, but I'll just take you through the video. So updated hardwood floors here. Nice ceiling fan. Big roomy room here. And let me spin around. There you are. And I gotta say, interesting nook here. Probably put some shelves there and utilize cubby storage would be my, initial take. And this, we'll go down to the basement. Here we have the dining room kitchen. I'd say combination, but it's not. The kitchen's all by itself there, and you have a huge dining room. Really big. These are 1x1 tiles, so you can guesstimate. Walk out, we'll see that from the backyard. Yep, there's steps going down. And then this should be the garage. We'll lock it again. All right. Interesting. I'm not sure if you're responsible for your grass here, but I'm guessing you are, so I'll read that. All right. Big garage, little access panel there, plenty of storage. Nice. And here's just a shot of the kitchen. You do have a window. It's electric cooking. And they're probably going to come back in here. So let's move this along. Don't want to hold people up. All right, here's the upstairs. Here's the primary bedroom. All right, big closet here for you. Remember, this will look out the back of the house. And full bathroom with a walk-in shower. There you are. All right, back it up. Here's the hallway. This should be the hall bath. All right, that's what the hall bath looks like. And then 2 more bedrooms. So a true 3-bedroom. All right, good sized closet. You have a ceiling fan there. And then here as well. Sorry, no ceiling fan here. But the window is, all right, newer. I'll check that out. I do see screens. Let's check out the basement. Actually, leave no door unturned. That is the hall closet. Nice light there. You can see the roof, which I do have to check. But I know the Home Association does cover a lot here. So we'll get the exact details. Let's get you back up to eye level. Get your bearings. And by the way, there is a recessed light in this room, which is nice. Here's the basement. It is finished. Very nice. All right, dehumidifier running. Goes all the way back here. I do see some heat, so we're good. That's going to be under the back deck. All right. And then, guessing, washer and dryer. No, not here. Water heater electric. Looks like service and maybe even installed by Oliver. All right. It's good news. I'll get you more from the disclosure. Good storage in here too. Poured concrete foundation. That's going to be storage under the steps. And there you go. Here's your panel. We got a light in here. I'll just look at it. Should be 200 amps. Oh, we do have a light. Assuming I can turn it on. All right, there we are. Yeah, 4 throws, should be 200 amp. There you go. Looks like there's a French drain around the perimeter too. Okay. I just feel like I missed laundry. In my running around, I think I did not open the door upstairs. So let me do that now. Closet there. Please take off your shoes, absolutely. Oh, half bath. See what happens when you run. So wow, 2.5 baths. And then up here, wait a minute. That is interesting. I think it's downstairs then. Nope, I just didn't turn. That's my bad. There you go. Built in here. I was gonna go crazy. Yeah, try not to touch things, so I didn't open that door all the way. Just hand sanitize. Well, that is it. Let's bring it back down to here in the main living area. And now we'll venture outside. All right, we're at the front door here. See a little bit more of the neighborhood. And really nice being an N unit. One, you have a really long driveway that I didn't comment on before. Probably park 1, 2, 3, I'd say 4 cars. Just guesstimating, and then 1 in the garage. And look what you back up to. Nice and peaceful. So check that out. There's the back of the house. Pretty good sized deck. Here's your AC unit. And just trying to get some more information for you. There you are. So I'll research that. And did want you to get the size of this. So this is big. You walk right out the kitchen, sliding doors, and look at this. There you go. That is the super fast tour.